Hey everybody, it's your good buddy Sid here, and today this vlog is all about this Yamaha R15. Yes, our favorite El Diablo is finally saying goodbye. My good buddy Nitish made me an offer and I couldn't refuse, but look how aggressive this bike looks. You know, I like super sports. According to me, it is the best looking R15 ever. I still thinking on this date, do I really have to sell it? But now I know that the decision is already taken. Since last 2 days, the rain is absolutely flooding in Mumbai side, which is a big headache for me. Today I have to do 140 odd kilometers ride to drop it to my friend to Pune. So let's start riding. Even in this filthy weather, I am going to enjoy this ride for sure. You are bet to. Just a couple of days before I went to celebrate Royal Enfield One Ride 2021, we have been through the same route. Weather that day was super. Today is absolutely filthy, disgusting weather. So gonna ride little extra careful. Just look how beautiful this mountain range looks. This is the only thing I can appreciate in this weather, but I am maintaining a good average speed over this highway. See, this is the condition of road today. It's wet, means rainfall just happened. I got stuck in rain in Badlapur region, but I am riding non-stop here as I don't want to miss my train, and in morning I already got late. Nice sunshine, road and weather opens up, so I can do full throttle here. That was good one, but there is a significant power drop I am experiencing after removing ProLiner full MotoGP inspired exhaust and lot of wind blast too. Nice weather here, nice roads. I have taken this motorcycle on many amazing roads. Check the newly created playlist El Diablo On Road Adventures to see every single ride I have done with this epic machine. On a disgusting rainy day like today, this road is not ideal to ride motorcycle as it is a cement road, so grip is less. So I am riding on a slower pace. I got a quick breakfast halt at Hotel Thakre, which is a usual thing. I won't be able to record anything because I am in a hurry. With El Diablo, I wanted to come to Lonavala since last year, but on ProLiner exhaust. It didn't happen after Lavasa ride, but I have taken this to many places. So that's why I'm telling you, you have to check that playlist. Stupid small monkeys. I think I am not going to find any rain ahead. Let's see. Here is the Duke Retreat and it is the best place to stay here in this area. I was right about the rain, so weather will be sunny from here. Cross Lonavala now. In next 1 hour, I will reach the place in Pune. This is my favorite section of NH4 and some good fast corners here. It's a windy day. I have always stopped here in this section, but the bad news is that my GoPro mount got loose and it is risky for a camera mounted on the same sticker, which means I won't be able to record further. See, the sticker is very loose and it is very high risk to use the camera. See you at the destination of this journey. I have reached Wakad in Pune on first ever road trip with El Diablo. We went through that road to Lavasa. Nitish gave me an address which is just 1 kilometer away from here. However, good job El Diablo. I'm going to miss this motorcycle for sure. I met Nitish, had my lunch and hand over our favorite El Diablo to him. We will do paperwork shortly and I haven't recorded there as I have very less time in which we have to discuss many things. Got the PMT e-bus. Yes, it is electric, very nice acceleration because of instant torque. Since childhood I was traveling through Pune streets in bus. So it reminds me old days. Oh, nice piano black Mercedes A-Class. Looks cool here. Motologger Seed YouTube channel is all about premium motorcycle content and occasional road content.